Around 404-374-1221 on a 2010 Honda Accord 3.5. The rule of thumb is always have continuous power to the battery terminals, and you have to remove this bracket just to get this long bolt out right there. And you know how to take it off. You gotta take that 10mm bolt out of this hose bracket. And then you have a 14mm going right there on the bottom of the starter. You got 14mm at the top of the starter. This is the starter right here going on. And you gotta make sure you plug it up. The brakes is on at gbell.com. On a 2010 Honda Accord 3.5, you gotta have two extensions to take this start off and put it on. Got two bolts. Your brakes is on at gmail.com, 404-374-1221. Subscribe to your 2010 Honda Accord starter removal. Gotta take this camshaft position sensor out on this car right here to get the start out. The start is loose, but you gotta take this out just to get the start out. There's more to the eye than what it meets. Your brakes is on, the Honda on the car. Start is now able to come out. I'm Yaya, your brakes is on. The development is auto zone. Possible with 20 hours a day. We will advance them to you. No O'Reilly really has the part. Do you happen to own a Mercedes, BMW, perhaps a Rolls Royce? Empire has all firing parts. Is your brakes on?